Hi guys, English Time 1 welcome. Unit 3 is on the farm. Worst time, animals. Pig, pig, pig I spell P-I-G, pig. Cow, cow, cow I spell C-O-W, cow. Horse, horse, horse I spell H-O-R-S-E, horse. Chicken, chicken, chicken I spell C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. Sheep, sheep, sheep I spell S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Cat, cat, cat I spell C-A-T, cat. Now everyone, let's practicing. Pig, cow, horse, chicken, sheep, cat. Okay, everyone, take your notebook and your pencil. Look at the picture and write the letter. Pig. Check your answer. P-I-G. Cow. Check your answer. C-O-W. Horse. Check your answer. H-O-R-S-E. Chicken. Check your answer. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Sheep. Check your answer. S-H-E-E-P. Cat. Check your answer. C-A-T. Now everyone, reading. Excellent. Thank you. See you later. Bye bye.